Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to do an Amazon beauty haul. I'm also including some skincare and hair care in this video. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So Amazon is having their mega sale where there are like a lot of products which are on a huge discounts. So if you're planning to buy something, then I think this video will be helpful to you guys. And the Amazon mega sale is from 26 to 28. So here you can see I've shopped a lot. So I'm just going to show you all one by one what I bought. So the first thing is in hairspray. This is from the brand called Urban Gabru, and this is their Frotz hairspray. So it comes in this 250 ml kind of a bottle, and this is like a very good hairspray. It holds on your curls really nicely. So if you're going to some wedding or event and if you're planning to do some curls, then this hairspray will be really helpful for that, because this hairspray holds on your curls really nicely. So yeah, that's the first product. Then the second product is also a hair product, which is from L'Oreal, and this is their Seri Expert Liss Unlimited hair serum. So this is what it looks like, and this is really good. I've tried it twice or thrice and I instantly felt that softness in my hair, and right now also you can see my hair looks really shiny, and I really love the feel of my hair because these are like really soft right now. So yeah, that's the second product. Then the next product is from Miss Claire, and this is my all-time favorite eyebrow pencil. This is their waterproof eyebrow pencil, and the shade that I use is dark brown, which is 02. And if you have like really jet black hair, then this brow pencil will suit you really nicely. So this is how the eyebrow pencil looks like, and it also comes along with a brush, and this is like really pigmented and really creamy, and this is also waxy at the same time. And this eyebrow pencil looks really natural on your eyebrows. This doesn't make your eyebrows look really starched and bold. So yeah, that's my most favorite product. The next product is from Maybelline, and this is their Superstay 24-hour foundation, and I've got the shade 312, which is really perfect for my skin tone. I bought this specially because this is a full coverage foundation, and weddings and other functions are coming in December. So I really wanted to invest in a good foundation, because I think this is a very good foundation, and I've heard a lot of good reviews about this foundation online. So this is how the shade 312 looks like, and this is a perfect shade for my skin tone, as you guys can already see. So if you're closer to my skin tone, then definitely go for this shade, because the coverage and the finish of this foundation is like really beautiful. I really love it. Next up, I bought a lot of lipstick, as you guys can already see, and these are all from NY Bae. So this is how the outer packaging comes in, and I bought like 6 to 7 colors from this range because these are like really affordable lipstick. These are below rupees 200. So if you are interested in investing in good liquid lipstick, then definitely check them out. And this is the NY Bae's Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I really love the packaging of this because it looks really cute and nice. And the applicator is like really beautiful. It is very precise, and I really like this doe foot applicator. So the formula of these liquid lipstick is like really amazing. These are like really ultra lightweight. These are completely matte liquid lipsticks, but these are not drying at all. They are like really pigmented, and they last really long. Even if you'll have your meal, these are not going to budge from your lips. So I'm just going to do a hand swatch right now, and if you want me to apply this on my lips as well, then do comment down below, and I would love to do a separate video for these lipsticks. So this is how the shade Ice Cold Holiday looks like. This is how the shade Snuggle Secret looks like. Next shade is called as Mugs and Hugs, and it's a very beautiful nude shade. This will flatter a lot of skin tones. The next shade is called as Binging, and it's a very beautiful dark purple plum shade. I really love those bold lip shades on my lips, because such lipsticks make your lips really attractive, and they are like the center of attraction when you apply those colors. The next shade is called as Snowflakes, and this is also one of my most favorite lipstick. This is a very beautiful lipstick. Here you can see this is how the shade looks like. The next shade is called as Ladies Night, and this is also really beautiful pinky nude shade. This will flatter a lot of fair skin tone girls. So if you are a fair girl, then definitely check this shade out, because this looks really awesome. And the last shade that I have with me is called as Slay All Day, and this is a very beautiful pinky plum shade. And if you guys know me, then you might be knowing that I really love to wear lipsticks, and that's my most favorite part while doing my makeup. So it's really hard to please me when it comes to lipsticks, and these NYBay lipsticks has really impressed me a lot because I really love the price point, the formula, and the shade range is really beautiful. The pigmentation is top notch. The lasting power is also really great, and they are like really comfortable too on your lips. So yeah. And that's not all for the lipstick. I have two more lipstick to show you to you guys, and both of them are from the brand called Lakme, and I have a lip crayon and a liquid lipstick to show you to you guys. So I'm just going to start off with the lip crayon. So this is the Lakme Absolute Plush Matte Lip Crayon, and I've got the shade 303 Foxy Brown. So to be honest, I got this shade just because of Jyoti Sethi. So she recently attended an event where she wore this shade, and it was looking really beautiful on her. So that's the reason I picked this up. So this lip crayon is a little bit expensive, but I got this on Amazon and it was on huge discount. So I just instantly placed an order for that. So I'm just going to swatch it right here. This is the shade Foxy Brown, and here you can see how gorgeous this lip shade looks like. And I'm wearing it on my lips right now as well, so you can see the shade is like really perfect for our dusky to deep skin tone girls. And the next shade from Lakme is from their Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick, and the shade that I bought is called as Brown Espresso. And if you guys have been following me for a really long time, then you might be knowing that I really love brown nude lipsticks, and this is one of those because this is really beautiful. This is slightly drying on my lips, but I really love it. And yeah, that's the swatch, and once it sets onto your lips, it looks really beautiful ultra matte lip color on your lips. And I really love the pigmentation and the bond of the lipstick too, because the bond of the lipstick gives you a precise application. So you can also line your lips first with using this and then just fill them up. The next product is from Sugar Cosmetics. So Sugar is also on huge discount on Amazon, so do check that out. So this is their I Lit You So Vivid eyeliner, and I've got the shade White Heat. I was really eyeing for a good white eyeliner because white eyeliners are like really hard to find, because some companies make white eyeliner but they're like really not that pigmented as I want. So this one is like really pigmented. It is smudge proof, it is waterproof. I really love the formula of this one. I'm also planning to buy the black variant in this one because I really love the formula, and the bond is also really nice. So if you want to do that wide cut crease kind of a look, then this is a very apt product for that. So I'm just going to swatch it right here. So here you can see how pigmented the product is. So that's all for makeup, and if you guys want to wear makeup, then also take care of your skincare first. So that's the reason I bought this product. This is from the brand called Simple, and Simple is a really good skincare brand, and this is their micellar cleansing water, which instantly hydrates and gently removes makeup. So it is also really good for waterproof makeup. So I use this product when I have like really bold dark lip color on my lips, and this just instantly removes everything up really quickly. This is a very good micellar water that I have tried so far. And if you're aiming for a really good glowing skin, then definitely remove your makeup before going to the bed and apply some micellar water. So yeah, don't forget to check out the Amazon huge mega sale to get some amazing discounts and offers, and do shop a lot because wedding seasons are right at the corner and we really want to glam up and get doll up for our friends or sisters' wedding. So what are you guys waiting for? Just head out to Amazon's app and just keep shopping. So yeah, that's all for the makeup haul, and if you guys like it, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Also please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also please comment down below if you want me to do a lip swatch for these liquid lipsticks, and I would love to do it for you guys. So yeah, I'm going to see you all in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.